siyempre, limited yung capital. Tapos para magpahiram ka ng gano'ng kalaki dun sa mga privilege para ito lang yata ito. It involves, I think, safe operation. Kaya tingnan natin yun. Ito ba nakakabayad ng loan nila? O baka naman, these are government money. Pinapagutan na DBP. So tingnan natin kung hindi ba nawawala yung pera. Hindi ko pa masabi yan. Pero yun nga, yung committee on banks will continue to look into it. Yung loan, kaya bigay. Magkakasunod na buwan.
May idea kayo kung magkano yung total transaction?
Ang report ng COA nasa mga 5.8 billion, 5.6 billion pesos.
Okay.
So tama ba yung mga companies into energy, mass housing? Anong pwede?
Yes, yun lang yung nabanggit ng COA. That's why tinatanong natin din sa DBP ngayon kung sino itong mga companies dito.
Kasama sila sa
Hindi ko alam. Hindi. Nabasa ko lang yung report ng COA. Kaya nung nabasa ko yun, I was alarmed. Sabi ko, these are huge amounts. And kailangan, patignan natin kung secure ba yung pera ng gobyerno.
So wala nang re-investigation about the OMP?
Depende yan sa committee ng banks. Kung ano yung makita natin. Pag nag-submit ng documents yung officers ng DBP.
Sir, meron ako mga decision sa mga pinapos
Wala pa. Pinapag-aralan pa yung mga congressman.
Sir, considering we are already halfway through May, kung sakaling mag-decision kayo na i-endorse, may panahon pa ba to take it up before we adjourn for state?
Before adjournment ng CBD, baka tutuloy.
So the earliest, if ever we do this, or other August ends, na August po.
Oo. Kasi pag-aaralan pa natin mabuti yan, alam mo, yun ang sinasabi natin, hindi lang basta-basta ka mag-endorse ng impeachment complaint. Tignan natin kung kaya ba natin panindigan yan. Can it stand in an impeachment court? Kasi pag hindi, nakakaya.
Sir, kung August, kaya pa po ba harapin ng August considering budget season?
Well, in the performance of our mandate, kailangan natin bigyan ng panahon yan. Pero kaya nga, kailangan pag-aralan mabuti bago tayo pumasok. Hindi yung magmukha tayong gago dyan sa committee na mag-endorse tayo tapos hindi naman pala natin kaya panindigan yan. Walang substance, walang form.
Sir, Congressman Gary Alejano yesterday questioned the independence of the House, saying that the fact that the impeachment hearing on the Duterte impeachment complaint just lasted for 4 hours just goes to show wala na daw pong integrity yung House.
Opinion niya yun. At entitled naman siya doon. Pero ang irony, mukhang siya lang nagsasabi. I don't know.
Sir, did he do anything unethical yesterday and the final judge?
Well, hindi ko pa, kasi we have to look into the elements of yung whatever offense he committed. Hindi pa. Hindi pa kami nagkikita dahil ang alam ko, baka ngayon na siya yata natin from his trip. Alam nyo, hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag final niya ay tama siya. Di ba? Sinasabi nila na unwilling. Alam mo, meron tayong rules to follow. Ngayon, kung hindi naman siya nagpo-comply doon, hindi ibig sabihin na siya yung nag-file, tama na siya. Hindi kailangan i-observe din niya yung proseso. Sang-ayon sa ating rules at sang-ayon sa ating batas. Hindi ibig sabihin na pagka hindi sila yung kanilang reklamo ay hindi na-address, ay pwede na silang pumunta doon sa ICC. Pagkatapos doon, pag hindi pa rin sila dinilig, baka sa langit na yung kanilang appeal na susunod. Doon na silang reklamo.
Sir, as an RF the President, do you feel relieved that kasi because of what happened yesterday, for the immune si Presidente sa kahit hindi siya pwedeng file ng kahit anong impeachment?
Wala naman akong worry doon sa mga impeachment na yan. Well, as long as the President is doing his job and the Filipino people continuously appreciate that the President is doing his job as a President. So, there's nothing to it.
Sir, your name is one of the, well, sinabi po kayo sa ICC, di ba, na information filed by Attorney Sabio. People are saying now, after itong hindi tuloy yung impeachment, it moves para the ICC, the information closer na to the consideration of the ICC. Are you bothered by it because you're one of those names in the information?
No. Because in the first place, walang jurisdiction ng ICC doon. Dapat sa mental hospital pinahid doon. May jurisdiction ng mental hospital.
Sir, hindi po ba sabi na talagang patay na yun? Yung
Alin?
impeachment complaint kay President Marcos. No chance of final trial.
Well, yung dismissal na yun, patay na talaga yun. Baka nag-review na yun.
Sir, Congressman Alejano yesterday was saying na parang kinausap daw po ata siya either ng committee or someone from the majority na bibigyan ng kahit 2 araw man lang yung hearing, sir, but he was surprised na yun 4 na oras lang daw. Sir, may ganong usapan po bang
Hindi ko
nangyari?
alam, pero it looks like kahapon, hindi na natin kailangan pa mag-hearing ulit dahil na talagang wala naman Wala sa personal knowledge, di ba? O yung mga lahat ng kino-quote niya, puro hearsay. So, paano gagawin natin? We continue wasting the time of Congress.
Sir, why do you say sa mental hospital dapat information?
Hindi
That's
kasi,
all we think is the President.
para sa akin, baseless Baseless. So, I don't know, if yung ICC extension na ng mental hospital, pwede nilang bigyan.
Sir, what the heart and soul of the information sa ICC is the deaths resulting from this war against drugs. So, how do you think should the administration address this issue na could be getting out of hand, the case?
It's an internal matter, which I don't think in the first place, makialam dapat yung ICC. mas maraming malalaking kaso ang dapat nilang pakialaman. Hindi itong internal matter na ina-address natin yung sarili natin problema.
Sir, yung dismissal ng committee, isa dapat committee report i-file sa plenary, then may chance pa siyang i-adopt or hindi i-adopt, please isa.
Wala na.
Wala na. So, you're saying, sir, na
Dinispis na ng committee.
wala na siyang chance na ma-revise sa
Wala.
No chance of override.
Wala na. Wala na?
Wala na nga, sir.
Maganda din naman dito yan. Oh,
Oo nga.
parang ano nga lang, parang MRT lang. Lagi nasisira.
Sir,
Are you still willing to for it or
Okay lang. Okay lang naman.
ipapasa pa rin po siya ng Congress?
Oo, kadali ko mapapasa naman. Well, hopefully, kung kakayanin ng ng House, bago mag-recess, pwede naman sa akin.
sir,
Oh.
sir, how about the postponement of the barangay elections? Aabot po ba, sir, considering it's malapit na tayo mag-October?
Pag-uusapan lang sa inyo.
Sir, upon us, nakapansin ko sa order of business, it's always there, but it's not being taken on.
Hindi ko talaga alam dahil yung bola nasa mga kanyang partner. In fact, nag-submit na kami ng recommendation and issue na rin yung ECO creating a constitutional commission.
Mm.
So, ang kulang doon yung membership ng constitutional commission.
Nahihirapan namin. Ito mga mahirapan dahil some of the people behind the cabinet.
Ay, hindi naman. Lahat yan, interesado, sobra-sobra pa nga eh. Ang dami nang submit ng mga pangalan nila for consideration. Ewan ko, medyo marami lang talaga siguro ginagawa yung mga kanya. But definitely, pag hindi yan siya nangyari this year, definitely, with or without the commission, by next year, uumpisahan ang progression.
What do you think, sir? Ano po ang umpisahan? Magpapansin na po yung
Umpisa ng pag-usapan yan sa committee level, yung and then ipapasa namin. Pagka ganun din sa Senado, we can agree na pwede namin convene yung Congress ito consider the same.
Sir-
Magpapansin as con as, sir, next year.
Pwede.
Kailan, sir? When next
Ah,
year?
siguro mas earlier the better because there will be elections at 2019.
Tatapusin niyo muna yung budget, sir.
Tapusin na namin yung budget. Hindi, of course, yung secretary ng DOTR, basically sila yung lead agency dito. Now, kung sino man yung mag-i-implement, depende rin yan sa executive branch.
Sir, when you convene as Constituent Assembly next year, separate po, Senate and House.
Oo, pero pag nag-convene na Constituent Assembly, magkasama niya.
So, isa lang, sir, hindi joint, sir, pero how
Hindi, pag sinabi mo kasi Constituent Assembly, meaning, magkasama yung both houses. You convene both houses.
Pero sir, di ba parang ang gusto niya ng Senado ay
Sir,
Sa voting lang.
yes, sir.
Sa voting lang yan.
So, magpapansin as a ng
Constituent body, pwede naman voting separate. Okay din.
Sir, amenable kayo
Ha?
sa voting separate. Kasi
Hindi, para sa akin, wala namang problema yun eh.
Sir, napag-usapan na ba na finalize na, sir? Kasi I think about a year ago, you already said wala namang problema for you to vote jointly or separately, but it's the senators who have an issue with it, sir.
I don't know. Kasi kailangan pag-usapan muna, no? Kung ano yung ilalagay natin doon sa Constitution before we vote for it.
Opo. Sir, nagbigay po ba ng update yung Consti Amendments Committee sa inyo? Because I know they did public consultations across the country during the break.
Oh, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yun.
Opo.
And of course,